Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Nebraska. At BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through this process. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. And once you click that link, it's going to bring you to this page here where you can scroll down and see the full step-by-step guide. So let's go over this together just to make sure there's not any confusion. Step number one is you need to have an existing commission as a traditional notary public. So in other words, you need to already be a notary public in the state of Nebraska. Simple enough. Step number two is you're going to need to complete the state-required RON training. If you click this link, it's going to bring you to an unlisted video on the Nebraska Secretary of State's office YouTube page. This is the video that you're going to need to watch as part of your RON training. Next, you're going to need to review the Nebraska Online Notary Public statutes and regulations. So if you click the statutes links, it's going to bring you right here to the official sos.nebraska.gov website, and you can see all of the statutes here. You're going to need to become familiar with these, as well as the rules. So if you click this regulations link, it's going to bring you to this rules and regulations page, and you're going to need to go through this and learn everything that you need to about online notarization, specifically these two areas right here. Next, you're going to need to take the online notary public exam. When you click this link, it's going to bring you to this page here. You put in your email address and then begin and start taking your online notarization exam. It's something like 20 questions. Once you pass your exam, you're going to need to go to the Secretary of State's online notary portal and log in to upload your exam certificate. So this is what it looks like when you click this link. You see it says you will need an account to file online. Click the login button to create an account. You can click login in the top right-hand corner here. And then you're going to do just as it says here, log in and upload your exam certificate. Step number 6 is you need to have your payment information ready. You're going to be paying a $50 filing fee. Step number 7 is to sign up with a Nebraska state-approved RON technology provider. Our best recommendation for this is to sign up for BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number 8 is once you receive the approval notification email, you're going to log in to the portal to download your approval letter. They used to send out a registration certificate, but at this time they're only sending out the approval letter. And step number 9 is you need to get your e-seal and digital certificate so that you can start performing remote online notarization. Once you have that approval, you're good to go to begin with online notarization, and we hope to see you on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful information for you on online notarization.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.